little artists. Today, we're diving into the jolly world of Christmas with a super cool drawing, a Christmas tree. Grab your colors, and let's have some festive fun. Start with a pointy triangle for the top of your tree. Now, here's the magic, connected to a round bottom with a continuous pattern of letter U. Keep going and repeat the steps to complete a tree. Pop a star on top. Add circles inside for ornaments. Oh, and sprinkle some more circles all over. Time to splash on the colors. Green for the tree. Red, blue, and purple for the decorative balls. If you've got a sparkly pen, add more details to it. But you can skip this part if you don't. To make it pop, outline your tree with a bright green sketch. That's like giving your tree a cool neon glow. Ta-da! You did it, little artists! Your Christmas tree is ready to spread some holiday cheer. If you loved drawing with us, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more drawing adventures. Until next time, happy drawing and happy holidays!